In today's video, I'll show you how to invite a team member in Pipedrive. The process is quick, simple, and only takes a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Users. This will take you to the user management page where all team settings are handled. On the user management screen, click the Add Users or Invite Users button. You'll now see a field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite. If you're adding multiple team members at once, you can enter several email addresses separated by commas. After entering the email address or addresses, review the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you're confident, click Invite to send the invitation. The invited users will now appear as pending in your user list. Each person will receive an email invitation from Pipedrive. Once they accept the invite and complete the setup, they'll automatically become active members of your account and can start working right away. And that's it. You've successfully invited a team member to Pipedrive CRM, making collaboration simple and efficient. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more quick CRM tutorials.